Hi, welcome to the Culinary Cam YouTube channel. My name is Camilla, and I hope you are ready to make a delicious mess with me. Today, I'm going to show you my process for making royal icing. Super simple, and it's the royal icing that I use to decorate all of my gingerbread and all of my sugar cookies. Okay, so for the royal icing, it's really easy. You need 3 egg whites, the juice of 2 lemons, and about 6 cups of powdered sugar. And you can adjust that as you need to. You really want to end up with the consistency of like an Elmer's glue, if you remember that from school. So I've already separated 2 of the egg whites. I'm going to do the 3rd. I just take the egg, crack it on the counter, and then I use the 2 halves to separate my yolks from my whites. You just want to be really careful you don't get any of the yolk in there. And then I just take my hand beater and I'm going to whisk these. Okay, you're going to beat those until they're nice and frothy. And then I'm going to add in, this is half of the powdered sugar, so 3 cups of the powdered sugar. Just going to dump that in there. And then you work your way up from a low speed to the highest speed. Once all of that has been incorporated, then you're going to put in the rest of your powdered sugar. That is still a little thick, so this is where the lemon juice comes in. So I already juiced 1 lemon. I'm going to do the second. I just cut it in half, and then with a fork through a wire mesh strainer, I juice the lemon into my measuring cup. I'm not measuring it, it's just an easy container to use. And I'm just catching all of the pulp and the seeds so it doesn't go into my icing and make it lumpy. Okay, you can actually see the consistency of the royal icing. It's really thick. So I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon juice, turn it on low. And so, like I said, you kind of want that Elmer's glue consistency. You can change that up if you want it a little thicker, add more powdered sugar. If you want it a little bit more runny, add the rest of the lemon juice. But I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, and that is the royal icing. Okay, so I showed you how to make the royal icing, and I just filled a disposable piping bag, and I have 1 of each that I'm just going to decorate. And this is, whatever design you want. So I'm just going to have some fun with this snowflake. There you go. Just pipe on your design, let it harden, and there you have gingerbread with a royal icing design. everybody in my family pitched in and decorated some of these cookies. So I hope this inspires you to get into the kitchen, bake some holiday cookies, get creative, and make a delicious mess. If you like this video, please click like. The recipes and links to other cookies and our social media will be in the description below. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to Culinary Cam so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up.